Hi, welcome back to another studio vlog. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. I am just getting started. It's Monday afternoon. I have not done anything yet except a little bit of cleaning up and things like that. I have been really struggling to find motivation to get started with this week's work. I have a lot on my plate this week, and I think that's part of why I'm having a hard time staying motivated, just because I tend to get a little bit stressed when I have a lot of deadlines. And like the creative sort of mojo that I generally have when I make things sort of just like runs and hides when there are a bunch of deadlines and things that are piling up. And I have a lot to do this week. I'm going to start off by filming some videos. I think today I have to do my Hedgehog Hollow Days presentation. I have a card making summit presentation that I need to film. I have a project that I need to film immediately for Ranger for a new product that is coming out this week. It hasn't been announced yet or launched at all, but they overnighted me the products. So I need to make a sample and write up like a tutorial post for that. Plus make a new video on it to have just like on my YouTube channel as well. So lots of filming, lots of editing, and I have a lot to do just like in the craft room in general. I also need to really start focusing on my Etsy shop. Both of my Etsy shops. I have been letting them sit on the back burner for a very long time and doing like the bare minimum. I haven't been listing my new cards. I just haven't been putting in the work on my Etsy shop because I've been letting myself get distracted with other things. So I really need to do that. I'm like really wanting to work on my new product lines, stickers, and my mouse pads, and all these things that I've been like testing out and getting supplies for a good long while now. It's time. I need to take the plunge and just do it. So we're gonna get started, I guess. Future Jess here. Apparently this new product is not out yet. I thought it was going to be out by the time that I published this studio vlog, but we have a couple more days until it comes out. So it's been redacted from my studio vlog because I can't share it until Ranger gives the go ahead and publishes it on their site as well. So you got a couple more days to wait. I think on the 19th is when it'll come out. So you guys will get a video and all of that. So I can't include the footage that I was originally going to include. Sorry, but soon there will be a video. Yay! I'm literally just filming the plan.
Yeah, so like I said, build the cabinet, set that in place. Build this, build that. This will be a cabinet with tables set in front. So this table is not going to be integral to that probably because you said that was going to be the IKEA top or whatever.
Theoretically.
Yeah, so this will basically be a cabinet. We'll make doors for the top, and then for the bottom we'll figure out if we want doors or not, make it a cubby or not.
Okay.
And then we'll just set everything in place. So we can pre-make some stuff. So like we pre-make this cabinet, pre-make that cabinet, and then everything else is built to suit.
Mama, guess what?
What?
There's a frog in our yard.
A frog in our yard?
It could be a poison dirt frog.
Poison dirt frog. What does that mean?
It was standing right in our yard.
Wow. And why do you think it's poisonous?
Kieran think it is.
Oh, Kieran thinks it might be poisonous. Okay. Well,
It used to be white, but now it's dark.
well, don't touch it, right? Let it do its thing.
I didn't even see it hop.
Oh, well, maybe it'll hop if you watch long enough. Okay, so I am just getting started on filming for Hedgehog Holidays, and I've got like a 30-minute video to do, so let's go. We're doing all the filming. The beach is probably Kieran, honey. Yes. Okay, I'm back at it for day 2 of filming. I am kind of exhausted. I filmed like for literally hours yesterday for my holidays presentation. I didn't realize it was going to take me quite so long, and I still have to edit it, but the filming at least is done. I finished all my cards. Yay, progress. So today I'm working on the Card Maker Success Summit, which is a card making summit that will be taking place in July, and I will have sign up links for you guys if anyone is interested in signing up soon, but I don't have that yet. It's coming. But yeah, so I am about to spend another whole day filming. For that, I am doing a presentation on ink blending, and I hope you guys love it when it comes out, but it'll be available over there for you. Also, I just made a salad. I that probably will be in here. I don't know. I'll have the footage. Maybe? I don't know. I filmed while I was like chopping the vegetables and making it. So I found this recipe on Pinterest and I really wanted to try it because I'm trying to eat healthier. And yeah, I don't know. So I put it together and it was actually pretty good. So yay, my belly is like full of lunch and I had an apple too. And I'm ready to get started, I guess. Here we go. right, I'm gonna leave the studio vlog here for this week. All I've pretty much done is edit a bunch of videos and make some lunch. We haven't really done a whole lot. I mean, I've done a lot, but it doesn't feel like I've done a lot because there isn't really that much exciting footage without like basically just making the video and sharing it here. So I'm gonna keep editing and doing all of that for putting all those videos together. And next week, hopefully I'll have some more interesting content about getting my Etsy shop set up. I really, really hope that this all kind of works out and I'm able to share that journey with you guys. So let me know what you think about this format. I know this is still kind of new. I will have another video for you guys this week with a new product that I mentioned earlier in the video. So stay tuned for that. But definitely let me know what you think. And if there's things that you love or things that you would like to see, definitely just drop me a comment. Let me know. I love you guys. I'll see you next time. Okay, bye.